Welcome to Luxury Cars India. Today we're going to review Ford Endeavour Hurricane Limited Edition 2009 model. The Ford Endeavour 2009 to 2014 has two diesel engine on offer. The diesel engine is 2,499 cc and 2,953 cc. It is available with a transmission. Depending upon the variant and fuel type, the Endeavour 2009 to 2014 has a mileage of 11.4 to 13.1 km per liter. The Endeavour 2009 to 2014 is a 7-seater SUV and has a length of 5,060 mm, width of 1,788 mm. Ford Endeavour 2009 to 2014 was available in 4 colors: Sea Gray, Moon Dust Silver, Diamond White, Panther Black. This Endeavour is Sea Gray. Endeavour 2015 to 2020 is available in 6 colors: Diffused Silver, Moon Dust Silver, Diamond White, Sunset Red, Absolute Black, Smoke Gray. This Endeavour comes with power steering, power windows, front anti-lock braking system, air conditioner, driver airbag, passenger airbag, fog lights, front, alloy wheels, multifunction steering wheel. It has wheelbase of 2,860 mm, ground clearance 210 mm, curb weight 1,879 kg, fuel tank capacity 71 liters. Keep supporting our channel. Like, subscribe and share.